What's up, everybody? Today, we're exploring RubikChat, a powerful, no-code AI chatbot platform that lets you build smart, responsive assistants for your website in just minutes. RubikChat is powered by top-tier models like Google Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-4, so you can deliver high-quality answers, generate leads, and handle 24/7 support, all without writing a single line of code. Let me show you exactly how it works. Once you're logged into the RubikChat dashboard, everything you need is right here. To create a chatbot, just click New Chatbot and give it a name. You can use RubikChat for 24/7 support, handling FAQs, collecting leads, or even helping your internal teams find information quickly. Next, you'll train your chatbot on your business data. You can upload PDFs or files, paste in text, or even crawl your website so the bot learns directly from your existing content. But if you don't have any of that, don't worry. You can simply type out your business details manually, right inside the platform. Let's say you run a haircut shop in the US. You could just type something like this. After entering your initial business info, RubikChat will create your chatbot and take you back to the training data section. From here, you can continue improving your chatbot by uploading more files, adding FAQs, or editing anything you wrote earlier. You're never locked in. You can keep refining your training data anytime, even after your bot is live. For example, you can add common FAQs like, "These kinds of FAQs make your chatbot smarter and more helpful right from the start." Now we're inside the playground where you can test your bot's responses in real time. Click on the Overview tab, and this is where you configure how your chatbot thinks. Here's how it's organized. Model selection, choose between Gemini, GPT-4, or GPT 3.5 depending on your needs. Just how creative or factual your responses should be. System prompt, choose from 2 built-in roles, AI chatbot or customer support agent. Or write your own custom prompt to define tone, style, and intent, like you are a friendly support rep who responds clearly and professionally. Once you're happy with the logic and tone, you can test it right in the playground and make real-time adjustments. RubikChat also helps you capture leads. You can ask users for just an email or collect names and phone numbers too. Totally up to you. All your leads are stored in the Leads tab and can be exported anytime as a CSV or PDF. Then there's analytics. See how many chats you've had, where users are coming from, and how your bot is performing. RubikChat also connects with tools you already use, like Shopify, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. You can set up actions like sending files, collecting forms, or booking appointments, all automated through workflows. And if a customer needs real help, you can enable human handover, so a real agent can jump in when needed. Ready to launch? RubikChat makes it easy. Just grab the chat bubble script or the iframe embed code and paste it into your site. Want to share it without a website? No problem. Just use the direct link to give customers instant access to your bot. Let's walk through how to customize both its appearance and behavior. First, click on the Styling tab. Right at the top, set your welcome message. This is what users see first when they open the chat. Rename your chatbot, upload a profile picture or icon, choose between light mode and dark mode, add optional quick reply buttons to make conversation smoother. That's RubikChat. Fast, flexible, and built for modern business. Whether you're automating FAQs, converting visitors into leads, or supporting customers day and night, RubikChat gives you the tools to build smarter conversations. Try it for free at RubikChat.com. No credit card required. And if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.